In this video, you will learn about the count function in Microsoft Excel. This function is used for counting numeric values in a given range, while ignoring any text or blank cells. Let's dive in and explore how it works. Let's understand the syntax of the count function. The basic structure is equals count, open parenthesis, value 1, comma, open square bracket, value 2, close square bracket, ellipsis, close parenthesis. The term value 1 is required. This is the first range or value you want to count. Then you have value 2 inside square brackets, which indicates it's optional. This refers to additional ranges or values that you can include, up to 255 in total. Let's go through a basic example. Here's a simple table in Excel. Cell A1 has the number 10, A2 has the text, A3 has the number 25, A4 is blank, and A5 has the number 30. If you use the formula equals count, open parenthesis, A1 colon A5, close parenthesis, the result will be 3. This is because the count function only counts the numeric values in cells A1, A3, and A5, ignoring the text in A2 and the blank cell in A4. The count function specifically counts certain types of data, while ignoring others. It counts numbers including integers, decimal numbers, dates which are stored as numbers in Excel, times also stored as numbers, and negative numbers. On the other hand, it ignores text strings, empty cells, logical values like true or false, error values such as number, /, or number, reference symbol, exclamation point, and numbers that are formatted as text. The count function is versatile, and it can handle multiple ranges at once. Here's an Excel grid with data in different cells. The first range, A1 to A5, is highlighted in green, and the second range, C1 to E5, is highlighted in orange. The formula equals count, open parenthesis, A1 colon A5, comma, C1 colon E5, close parenthesis, counts all the numbers within both of these ranges. In this case, it looks at cells A1 through A5 and C1 through E5, and the result is 15 because there are a total of 15 numeric values in the specified ranges. It is important to avoid common mistakes while using the count function. One common mistake is trying to count numbers that are stored as text. For example, if you have a value like 123, but it's in a text format, the count function will not count it. The other mistake is expecting count to count text. Count function only counts numbers. If you want to count all non-empty cells, including text, use the counta function instead. Let's see a practical example of using the count function for sales data analysis. Imagine you have a table with product, sales amount, and status columns. Product A has a sales amount of 1,500, and the status is complete. Product B has a blank sales amount, and the status is pending. Product C has a sales amount of 2,300, and the status is complete. Product D has not applicable in the sales amount column, and the status is canceled. Product E has a sales amount of 1,800, and the status is complete. If you use the formula equals count, open parenthesis, B2 colon B6, close parenthesis, it will return a result of 3, indicating that there are 3 products with numeric sales data. Here are the key takeaways. The count function is designed to count numbers only. It automatically ignores text and blank cells, which can be very useful. The count function supports multiple ranges, allowing you to count numbers across different parts of your spreadsheet. It is perfect for data validation. You can quickly count completed numeric entries in your datasets. Remember, the formula is equals count, open parenthesis, range 1, comma, open square bracket, range 2, close square bracket, comma, ellipsis, close parenthesis. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.